Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the screencast for April 21st. And first off, schedule of the week, we have MCA testing on Tuesday and Wednesday. We have a staff meeting on Wednesday morning. We also have our grandparents / special guest breakfast on Thursday and Friday, so that's exciting. Book fair attached to that. So if you're able to greet some of our families, that is wonderful. It's a great community event. You also see that there's a fire drill this week. I guarantee you, though, that it will not be on Tuesday or Wednesday morning during MCA testing, and we'll make sure it does not interfere with that. Class lists. Hey, last week I talked about our process for developing equitable classrooms rather, with positive learning environments. I would like to have a work group on Wednesday, April 24th at 3:30. We'll use that time to try to decide how to decide which are the most important factors as we make those lists, as we backfill around those. So if you could talk with your grade level and have one representative come to that meeting at 3:30, I believe we'll have that in the conference room. And that we'll use that time to prioritize those factors to decide which are the most important as we do our best to try to make those class lists work for all of us. So be aware of that, and if you can send someone at that time from your grade level, I'd appreciate it. Couple other quick plugs here. Carnival sign up. If you haven't had time to sign up and you would like to help out, the sign up for teachers is in the lounge. Yes, you can bring family members to help out too. We'd always appreciate that. And I think it's gone out before, but here's the link for parents to volunteer for our carnival. And I'm sure we'll be sending out things toward the end of the week, trying to get more parents involved. Because if we don't have people volunteering, then we can't open up all the fun things that kids like to do. We also have our food drive, our Veep food drive, and like I think I said at our staff meeting, it's amazing how in 1 week's time they can get as much as often their food drives get in a month when we pair that with our Bloomington schools. So we'll have signs up. Please be aware of that. Anything you can do to encourage our families to help with that is great. So just be aware of that. Summer school. Hey, a couple weeks ago, I talked to you how we only had 8 people signed up, and I asked teachers to try to connect with those families again. We now have 38 signed up. That's almost 40%, and that's pretty good when you think that families have other things going on in the summer. So thank you very much for making that personal connection. It makes a difference, and who knows, we might get a few more people signed up still too. Assessments, just a quick reminder of where we are. We have finished our MCA Science for 5th grade. We finished MCA Reading. We are now on to MCA Math, and you'll see that there is a week between Math and MAP reading, so we're getting there. So thank you to everyone for all your help with that. Let's keep those hallways quiet in the morning so that we can get that done, and it seems to be going pretty well. So thank you, Kathy and Allie, also for your help in helping with the technical aspects of testing too. Staff development. Hey, we've talked a little bit about this a couple times, and so I'm just sharing this information again. But one thing that's new is responsive classroom training. We are going to be a site this summer for responsive classroom, August 12th through the 18th, because we are using Westwood for that spot. For that training, we have a couple free spots for teachers to attend. So if you are interested in attending responsive classroom training this summer at Westwood from August 12th to 18th, shoot me an email, and we're going to try to get a couple more people to go. I'm going to prioritize people that did not go last year and are interested in going now. Even if you went last year and you're still interested, shoot me an email, because if there's extra spots that we have available, I'd make sure that you could go to. So long and short, interested in responsive classroom training. It's a good training, and it's here at our school. Shoot me an email if you're interested. Well, that's all I have. Have a great rest of the weekend, and see you on Monday. Take care, everyone.